cultural celebration, Municipal Council of Women's Night. Ayan guys, so habang hinihintay yung mga bisita, preparing the dance contest and singing contest. Ayan, habang hinihintay yung mga contestant, ayan guys, mapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda. Ayan o, nandito kami ngayon sa cultural. Ayan guys, so napakaganda, diba? Napaka-bongga. Ayan o, klase-klaseng mga kulay. Ayan yung mga women's pink, kulay pink kanilang uniform. So ayun yung mga naka-pink doon din, yung naka-t-shirt ng pink, OFWs. Ayan. Hindi pa masyadong maraming tao kasi hinihintay pa lang
also joining us at this evening, our celebration, the Pulong Barangay San Jose, the Honorable Jeanette Inesta Castro Mayor. Good evening.
Council of Women Night.
Lote Papay and Chess. Tonight we have 3 events as we celebrate the MCW Social Cultural Night. We have our Fiesta Sanayon, folkloric dance fusion. We have also ballroom dance competition and the search for the MCW Cosplay Queen 20 and 24. And now here are the criteria, our mechanics and guidelines for each event. Fiesta Sanayon folkloric dance fusion. The program aims to stress the importance of the competition as it raises the women's consciousness on the value of artistic excellence. It provides opportunities for the council of women to exploit and maximize their true potential. It also hopes to develop emotional fitness through teamwork as the group experience will bring about dependability, responsibility, commitment, sportsmanship,
Dito sa mga operator. Sounds operator.
The value of the art of dance. Consequently, acquiring the value of working together as a team towards common goals which will extend to daily undertakings beyond the competition. The mechanics and guidelines.
The competition is open to all the Barangay Council of Women of the local government unit of Santo Tomas and also represent the barangay worship. Age of instruction must be limited to 25 years old and above. Must be married with or without child. Dance presentation can be the group's own interpretation of a folkloric dance. It could be one dance or a combination of maximum of 3 different dances, forming the cohesive suit or thing. Foreign song and accompaniment shall be not allowed. Only indigenous musical accompaniment can the song only be accepted. There shall be a maximum of 14 performers on stage. Accompanying exists of 14 performers are not allowed. The presentation must run from a minimum of 2 minutes to a maximum of 4 minutes, including every exit of the participants. A corresponding 1 point from each judge's total score shall be deducted in the event the time limit is exceeded. The time of the performance starts with the first note of the music or the first movement, whichever comes first. The committee reserves the right to amend these guidelines and to refuse any grounds with proper advice to the parties concerned. All music must be recorded on a high-quality CD in
get you off of my mind.